Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P30 and I will show you how to enable portable hotspot. So to get going, you can just pull it down and it will be visible probably here. If it's not right as it is here, hotspot, you can tap on the little pencil and it should be somewhere here. So you can either tap on it to enable it from here, and also you can go through settings and go through wireless and network and personal hotspot, and from here you can customize it. So you can choose the password that you want, the name of the device, so whenever I'm trying to connect to it, it will be the password or the name of the Wi-Fi would be basically the name of the device. And you can tap on it to choose the password that you like, and you can also change the name of the device. So it's just added as an example, save be only P30, and once you customize it to the way you like it, you can flip on it to enable it, and now it should be visible on other devices. So I have my other phone here. Let me just make it brighter, and as you can see, it's right here, P30. And also if I disable it, it will basically disappear. Just give it a second. Anytime. Oh, come on. Oh, okay, and now it's gone. So that is how you enable hotspot, and if it's enabled, like for now, you can quickly and easily disable it from basically the notifications by just tapping on it, and now it's off. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.